that Powell came out victorious in the Broward County polls to become the first Jamaican American woman to be elected to the post of judge in the South Florida County's history. Powell gained 255,752 votes, 51.71%, to defeat Allison Gilman, 238,825 votes, 48.29%. Both candidates for the Broward County bench were in a runoff after none of them managed to gain more than 50% vote in the election, which was run August 28. Powell's victory is significant for the black community, as out of the 90 judges who sit on the Broward County bench, only 9 are black. Powell was born and raised in the community of Franklin Town in East Kingston and has vowed to use restorative justice while serving on the bench. She attended the Franklin Town Primary School and Camperdown High School before migrating to the Queens, New York, where she completed high school. Powell worked to support herself through college and completed her undergraduate degree in English at Florida Atlantic University. She landed her first job at the law firm Margold and Barber Hair. She is currently a solo practitioner at her own firm, Jackie Powell and Associate, where she mainly practices in the areas of family law and criminal defense. So, as you can see, my viewers and my subscribers, this is so good to know that a Jamaican lady has put herself on the front road again, you understand? And it's such a joy to know that, our country, they say we look and we Talawa, but we still got great people coming out of Jamaica and traveling the world and making history. No matter what, the crime and the violence is there, but still, we have people who still holding that flag and raising that flag high. And I just want to say my, congratulations and my everything to this lady, and hope she do well, hope she serve well, and she serve our people and to represent Jamaica and represent it well in the United States of America. This is me, Newlink, from Newlink Production and the team, and I just want to say, blessed people, and never stop attacking. Peace, love.